Let me at the very outset extend my congratulations to all the members of Hungorigo on this specific occasion of Hungorigo Day. It was on 7th of April 23, after the mega moping, a general sitting was conducted at Dharka, wherein resolution was adopted to have a dedicated NGO to look after welfare activities of Dharka, which is named as Hungorigo. As you know, Humgo has come from Hisum, the river that flows down from there. For the people, for the guest of honor and chief guest and special guest, I'm telling you, there's a river that flows down that place. That is Hisum. From Hisum, the Humgo has been coined, and then Hiri is again the river that flows nearby that Archmission School. So the patch of the area in between this, in evidence here at Dharka, we are Hungorians. Now this NGO, after the regulation was done, to have a dedicated NGO, that as our Secretary Sahib has pointed out, we had one chairman for the drafting committee with Manya Tasaf, the retired Commissioner IS, and we had one dedicated and most learned person, Sri Domo Padu, the President Joint Registrar, Guwahati High Court, who drafted the regulation to have the ground footing of this particular NGO. Thereafter, an interim committee was constituted under Engineer Gayum Padu, a retired secretary, who thereafter formed this Hungorigo Dharka Welfare Society with myself as the president and Sri Pomarate as the secretary. Inter alia are the members. That was on 23/11/2025. So it was on 7th June 2025, first executive committee member meeting was conducted, wherein we took 8 number of regulations, which included the one, the burial and cremation ground, which our honorable chief guest has today inaugurated, laid the foundation stone. And there were other points also, like upliftment of government secondary school, then avenue plantation, career counseling, then membership drive, as upliftment of government secondary, as I've said, many things were there. So we have series of regulations to be taken off yet, and we have just started with the office opening that has been done, the registration of this NGO that has been done on 12th August 2025, and in the process of our Hungorigo Dharka Welfare Society registered, our members, our secretary, our vice president, Sri our Tolu Padu, he had taken huge pain to get this particular NGO registered. I gave him a huge applause also from the core of my heart, since he has played a pivotal role. Timely getting it registered was an important thing which has been done. And as to have the prompt act, for acquiring this burial ground, the promptness was also shown by our General Secretary, along with his friends, along with executive committee members, with our chairman of the Land Acquiring and Fund Mobilization Committee, our retired Secretary WRD Gayum Padu sir, who take huge initiative, wherein we had to go in for, resource mobilization kind of, that crowdfunding, launching of crowdfunding was initiated on 15th August 2025 at Dharka, and simultaneously that was done at Itanagar by himself, and here at Dharka it was initiated. We had a woofing figure of around 19 lakhs 11,115 on the first day with 23 number of donors here at Dharka, and thereafter at Itanagar also the launching was done by our Gaimpadu sir. So there also at initial day we could get 7 lakhs 4,821. Then vigorous pursuance was also done through our WhatsApp means, through telephonic conversation, even personal contacts and all, to all the members, to all the Hungorigo people who are even serving in the districts, even at other places, even within the village, outside also. So the kind of cooperation was too good. I still feel, we can go more than the targeted 50 lakhs plus 70 lakhs, which were initially telling 50 for getting the plot of land and 20 for looking after the other amenities and all. So I think hopefully, as our secretary has said, the amount of cooperation the people are giving, the amount of vigorous contribution all of you are making, it is quite appreciable. I think we can go ahead the contribution process. In the process of our donations and kind of maintaining a proper record, financial aspects and all, in this platform, I should say, we have a very good Secretary of Finance, Sri Gautam Padu, who should be today here. I should not miss mentioning him because he is a very rightful person. Time to time, he gives the details of the contributions we are making, people are making, details we are getting there. So Gautam Padu, he is at the same time a man who is working at BSNL, he is the Chief Account Officer. So Gautam Padu, I owe huge salutations to you, even to our Gaimpadu sir, who has taken initiative much for managing these funds. I, on behalf of Hungorigo Dharka Welfare Society, heartily welcome and recognize with the sweet remembrance of late Engineer Gakenete, Secretary Retired, Government of AP, for donation of jumping land extended by his family members, represented by Sri Kenyatta Som, who too was a visionary and noble dream of our late Gakenete. Sir, you remain a proud son of Hungorigo. Words of appreciation would fall short for payback you made to society even after your demise. This act will be cherished memory for generations to come. Another burial cremation ground at Mango area has been donated by our friend Sri Bomate, who is serving in the medical department and who is the son of our late Koyata at Mango area, free of cost. The area is 346 square meter, and that has also been for which we have already erected the board. And today the chief guest of honor and the special guest could not make it for going to that particular place. It's a little bit far off from here, maybe around 1.5 kilometer line. So there also I remain indebted to him for this noble cause that he has extended to the Hungorigans, and will remain, an eye-opener in this direction also. We have framed standard operating procedure for the burial cremation ground at Jumpin as well as Mango. We too have constituted committee members with our Karyo Padu sir as the chairman, Sri Jumdarte as the member secretary for it, who being the chairman of Good Eyes Committee also, and as well as the member secretary of Guidas Committee at Dharka. Then, now, coming to other points like, here we have got many youths here, sitting here. I am not able to, some of you are loitering here and there, since you may be assigned with books. And I invite your attention, all youths here from Hungorigo area, maybe from Dharka there, maybe you are studying outside also. I would request you, with the team, that Hungorigo attributes huge importance for the activities which should encourage, guide, facilitate, channelize their energy for prosperity, health, education, games and sports, all on development. We had targets of immediately taking off care of shortage of furniture of secondary school, counseling, recognition of meritorious student in various spheres, improvement of living condition with Hungorigo by social forestry activity, augmenting water supply by restricting zooming at upper reaches of Dharka. Although this place is named after two perennial rivers, as I have said, Hisum and Hiri, but we still have insufficiency of water supply since we are to cater even the Alo township. So we are not looking ourselves, but we are looking at the interests of others also. With the constraint we have not been able to energize youths, for which we will be shortly taking off activities which will groom them positively. Till that time, please remain aloof from all these drugs and other unwanted substances detrimental to health. Please get yourself enlightened from the award recipient today of class 10 and 12. We had other areas whom we had to, facilitate, but that could not be done because we had short of time. Thoda sa kam samay hone ka wajah se we could not do that. With the formal foundation stone ceremony by Honorable MLA Tatiya Levels today, with in presence of DC West Central District Superintendent Engineer PWD Alo, we are halfway achieved with one of our much awaited regulation. Although approaches, compound wall, water supply, other basic amenities are yet to be done, still a concrete headway has been made. We must emphasize, arise, awake, stop, not till the God exists. We are lucky indeed today with the able leadership, Sri Topi Neteji, under dynamic Chief Minister Pema Kanduji, far-sighted and ever reigning Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, learned Deputy Commissioner and Head of District Administration Techu Aranji, technically, morally viable Sri Lion Padanji. We expect our woes will diminish, looked into and addressed appropriately with your support. Additionally, I have one point memorandum to be presented, which I'll do. Prior to that, I would just like to tell in Galo, I would like to, in few words in our Galo, I'll just tell the people, Hungorigo ge akumna muga anabga de kutki asabe naru hokai loga dokumna agum loga yelen dulena na akum kun gadam hokai hiloga alo Hungorigo de loga akum kunam no naruam apukara ngok apur laya loga alruga mudama okay hi ngunu ijala pomarsen agam narwa mengang geba ngunu igi nunu ka kam parle kolo hi ngun ikaduna ngunu ilpam ikadu ma hokai regulation da anam gadam senarwam munu important javana aguma students gad lagaba omeya me gad galagaba yelen dole naga digi aw gad yalag ma bido hilmalo amla mun ka do lag basin tel dola nguga na botu namlo podu po katingola munu aseno dongola system go kadu en ma ognyum la tar kuma ba moklok agum log ana substance almanam dol telik dola ayem se helkam almado idak podu porilen alkuba helta alkumayam no kedukoligation ainal velakuma midla bostuem imadoba nunu yanman ngoyamega dam nunu yanman channel leyet kamudo nun alruba yego dugam karu to kamudo angona abgona no ango abgo kama ba no nesene mumai no anabga mentom log yelpan try tolka anabonom agom momente me no khabonan mun men makam kama yogo emun yo hendle isga samo yada munu leko yen ma ad kanyelo emdu em skama lekyo ko ko ni jigat gangunam munu aka toloko holuragla ila anya lura lak dok se imingad logo munu do ye isgo do anab ga munu yadu me logo tabona ba idak na ka nuno yen me se yelak maya asabe me bam nam respectila ana bom nam lo ko respect ingola non nok an ne bale nam nok ap ne bale na pak mayam nom nie pang kama non pak tukun mai em narwe dang na ka yame ga dam la sengo request do au ni jir ga dam pore na ga dam no narwe edla tadu la pa ngono nam hak forum ko request dang na nunu pore mal ba ibam to ka yanam do no mal ber ka tul do le ru ka ok hemana ma mo go je asabe mo lo yela hin darka ko gum no foreign go lo yela ko sen na lo itana wo yela hin district ka lo yela hin abu yanam kutta acha ngo hi ye dona ka ngom ka sen do am la me mini liwam ru to kam la on request dang na hokke am mentla ak nguga anab gadam sengo nunam hok do kum na kat ke gadam ata gadam sengo naru am request dang na ngok dar ka hegi mok naru ga tak tabanam ma ngunu nun mo mo pa kam badu dar ka hegi pori ajak pa ma dok sen anab gada purna ga dan naru mo badu nunam ngun hogo hostelem mosdab ka dunai nun hostelem awe self made besen dolo ga mosdunai asabem pori mon pella okay abola se hingu ga bena ga the first generation group ga dahi ngunuk let sarmor ga at gaina he okay yelen do na ikut marnya ga na nijigam le gaina he yita jamun gaina abu abena he oram boniga ken mun nen la am banarwa abuna he isgop se na banen la daka ngun tubam basik laj ka yanam do no sa be len do no muru laj ka ngonun nam agoma jedem se benki me le buki mori li bam yoka ngom muna ngokado ngoka polo ngon mendak na nunu izaga homo ya ji yakem map sini do it ben nunu naru ga yego du kam kadla anya pangmini la do lori mo interest am kado mango homo ri interest kadla yerula jakamla ngo agma menta dala ngo 1 point agenda memorandum mo ja rileni. Now I am going to read out the 1 point memorandum to for the chief guest to Sri Topin Etaji, Honorable Member of Parliament, Honorable Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly, 30 Ala West Assembly Constituency, Western District, Ala. Subject: Infrastructure development for Varial cremation ground at Jumpin, Darka, Saved Sichi Approach, Road 371 meter, boundary wall, CD structure for the road, store, toilet. It would be for an estimated cost of around 300 lakhs. Honorable Sir, with humility and sincerity, undersigned on behalf of people of Humgorego Darka village, take this opportunity to extend our warmest greetings on this auspicious occasion of our first Foundation Day celebration of Humgorego Darka Welfare Society on this 23rd day of November 2025. On this momentous occasion, we are glad to inform you that people of Humgorego Darka have acquired an area of 17,000 square meters, partly on donation from family of late Engineer Gakeneta, retired Secretary Government of AP, for establishing a common burial and cremation ground at Jumpin, Darka, for the people of Humgorego village, which your good self has laid down foundation stone today. Additionally, an area of 364 square meters is also donated at Mango area, Darka, by Sri Iwamata, Drug Inspector, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Now, on this rare occasion, we humbly submit a pressing request for your kind intervention and consideration for the infrastructure development to the common burial and cremation ground at Jumpin, Darka. The current state of road being Kacha, which you yourself have experienced today, developed through community participation long back, is in deplorable condition, causing immense hardship to the community, especially during rainy season, funeral procession and other ceremonial occasions. Thus, providing CC approach road with CD structure for 5.5 meter lane standard, compound wall around gates, toilet and bedroom is highly required to do away with the hardship. We, on behalf of the entire members of the Hungorigo Darka Welfare Society, earnestly request your good self to take necessary steps to ensure the construction of this vital road, along with other infrastructure which has been indicated, which will greatly benefit the people of Hungorigo Darka. Thanking you with high hope of addressing this pressing issue. In service to the community, Sri Pomarate, General Secretary, Engineer Binjampadu, President, Hungorigo Darka Welfare Society. While submitting this, I have the head of the administration here also, Deputy Commissioner sir, the head of PWD also sitting by his side. I would also request that they would be extending, hopefully, the required support for addressing this particular one-point memorandum. Thank you, sir.
Akin jawab itu, President